And then finally, I guess I'll do one more question and we'll wrap it up here, just because I guess I can only do 5 questions for today, just because the calculus one took so long. So I apologize for that, and it's because it was a mistake on my part as well. So it says here, which represents the graph of linear inequality. So I'm not given a graph here, so they didn't really attach a file here. So maybe I'll just maybe what I can do is I can graph it for you. That might be a bit better. So this is 6x plus 2y is greater than negative 10 here, right? And as you can see here, they gave you the solution here. So basically what they want to do is they want to rearrange this for y, right? Because again, you can think of this as a slope standard form of a line. We want to rearrange to get the slope intercept form, right? So I would divide basically both sides by 6x. So we get negative 10 divided by 6x. And then finally divide both sides by 2, right? So I would do y here would be negative 10 over 6x divided by 2. Let me just clean this up first before we actually do this. So this is negative 6x, so 2y would be negative 10. Negative 10 divided by 6 would be negative 5 over 3 here. X, and then I can simply say y has negative 5 over 3. X divided by 2, right? And this here is going to equal this here. See what they did here. They divided everything by 2 here. So they divide by 2 first, which actually I think it cleans it up a little bit nicer than what we have here. So let me redo my algebra here, and I think I like the solution better than what I did here. So basically they divided everything by 2. Oh, here to get 3x plus y is greater than negative 5, and they just simply threw negative 5 plus 3x here. So this here would be, minus 3x here. This here would be our slope intercept form. Or you can say y here is negative 3x minus 5 here. And you can graph this, and we can graph this very, very easily. What we can do is, again, we can draw a line here. Let me just sketch this graph for you quickly. So we have, again, this is our x and this here is y. Negative 5 here is going to be our y-intercept, right? So I can say here this would be negative 5. And then my slope here is negative 3, right? So basically my line is going to point downwards like this, and then it's rise over run. So basically I'm going to go down by 3 and then go to the right by 1. So down by 3 would be like negative 8 or something. Right by 1 would be, this would be 1 here like that. And then I can also go up and say this is negative 2 here, and this would be negative 1, so maybe something like this. So I would get a line that looks something like that, and this would be my line for this inequality here. Now as you can see, this here is an inequality like so. Again, we could solve for the x-intercept as well if I wanted to be a little bit more concise here by simply plugging in 0 and solving for the x-intercept. So I can do that for you. Plug in 0, I would get negative 3x minus 5. And x here would equal negative 5 over 3, right? Which is this guy here, which is supposed to be this point here. But I don't know if I sketched it nicely enough to get that point. But that's kind of our graph for the inequality here. So this here is negative 5 over 3 here. So this solution here is correct. Again, they did the graph here, which is great. So the solution here is correct. Good analysis as well. So that's going to be enough for today. Again, I'm so sorry for that first problem here. I kind of got thrown off when I threw off my game here when I forgot a simple negative sign instead of a positive sign. So I apologize for that little error that I did there. Again, if you like these videos, again, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for tuning in. You can always find these videos reposted on our YouTube channel at youtube.com/OneClass. Again, my name is Joey. It's been a pleasure working with you all. Again, you can catch me streaming basically Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays for mathematics, and Tuesdays and Thursdays for chemistry. So, as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a great day.